Within the detective division, Boulder Officer Kwame Williams was in charge of investigating dozens of cases. And then last year, the department accused him of wrongdoing. Over a 3-year period, Officer Williams failed to complete assignments on 46 open cases. An audit by the district attorney's office shared concerns about 5 of them. 5 domestic violence cases that couldn't be prosecuted because the DA's office said the statute of limitations expired. Essentially, too much time had passed.
When a survivor isn't taken seriously the first time that they engage with the system, or their experience is negative with the system, oftentimes they won't go to the police the next time that it happens.
Simone Williams works for Safe House Denver, which supports survivors. She can't talk about the cases in Boulder, but she can share the impact of lacking police work.
They get the message that my voice doesn't matter, or maybe even what I experienced isn't valid, and we just know that that's just not true.
The district attorney's audit found 3 of the 5 misdemeanor domestic violence cases had enough evidence to support criminal charges. And while investigations were pending under Officer Williams, they say 3 of the defendants committed more crimes.
Oftentimes what happens is by the time that police are involved, we know that it's not the first time that the person has potentially hurt that person.
The audit says some of these cases involve victims of sexual assault and domestic violence, going without contact for a prolonged time after they reported the crimes to police.
I think the main thing that I would love for officers to hear and just really understand and value is the voice of survivors.
The DA's office says the police department responded to this issue appropriately. Before this audit, Boulder police conducted an internal investigation. The department disciplined 5 officers, Williams and 4 others under his command. Officer Williams was transferred to the patrol unit and given a 5-day suspension without pay. All 46 of those cases were reassigned to other detectives. Alex.
Kelly, I know you're doing some serious digging on this today. Any more information about these re-offenses? Do we know anything about the victims?
You know, I tried to ask some questions to the DA's office, and they said, you know, you have to get that information from Boulder Police. Boulder Police just sent me a link from a statement that they gave several months ago, so we'll definitely send in some requests to learn some more about these cases.
All right, Kelly, thank you.